Circus poses will not make you hurt or face any trouble. We have to practice many times to perform 10 exercises smoothly, and we have to practice to enhance your physical strength. Next exercises will be more difficult, more challenging. Okay, now we will come to new exercise today. Do you remember about acrobatic skill? First, stand in front of the hammock. Slide hands down. Bring the hammock same position as your hip. Press down. Lay back. Lift leg up. Head down. Leg turn forward. Right leg inside. Open left leg to side. Two hands hold the hammock. Pull body up. Two hands hold the left side of the hammock. Left leg over right leg. Left arm forward. Lay back. Left arm up high. Left leg forward. Stretch your body here. Lift body up. Left leg push the hammock. Release right leg and stretch your arms. Right leg forward. Rotate your hip. Stretch your legs. Use hand to spin around. Left leg turn forward. Return. Sit down. Then change side.